Stop ignoring this if you're dealing with constant joint pain you have at home. But the way they work together might completely change how your body feels. Most people spend money on expensive treatments without ever trying this first. Have you ever wondered why a Chinese doctor advises using lemons on your knees? This ancient secret may hold the key to relieving pain in your legs, lower back, wrists, and joints. Stick with me until the end and I'll show you exactly how it works. To begin, you'll need 1 lemon. Slice it into small pieces. Lemons are not just a kitchen staple. They're packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that combat inflammation and reduce symptoms of conditions like arthritis. They act as a natural pain reliever, and their sulfur compounds are excellent for alleviating chronic joint pain. Set the lemon slices aside in a glass container with a lid. Next, let's add cloves to the mixture. Cloves, often called golden cloves, have been used for centuries for their health benefits. They can treat infections, improve digestion, ease coughing, and even enhance your overall well-being. Cloves are rich in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, and they possess strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Add a handful to the container. There's no need to measure. Now we're going to include bay leaves. These leaves, commonly used to enhance flavors in cooking, also boast remarkable medicinal properties. They can help with digestive issues, stress, anxiety, infections, and pain. Add 3 bay leaves to the container, breaking them into smaller pieces with scissors or your hands for better absorption. To enhance the potency of this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Coarse salt is known for its mineral-rich composition, which makes it an effective aid for massaging and soothing painful joints. Finally, pour alcohol into the container until all the ingredients are fully submerged. Use rubbing alcohol or any medicinal alcohol you have at home. Once filled, seal the container tightly and give it a good shake. However, you'll need to be patient. This mixture requires 7 days to fully prepare. Store it in a dark place, allowing the ingredients to release their full potential. So what is this for? The moment you've been waiting for. What we just created is a natural balm for relieving joint pain. Once the 7 days are up, it's ready to use. Here's how. Apply the liquid directly to the affected areas, whether it's your knees, wrists, elbows, shoulders, ankles, or lower back. Gently massage it into the skin for a few minutes. This helps the mixture penetrate deeply, providing soothing relief. For best results, use this balm 3 times a day. Over time, you'll notice significant improvement in your mobility and a reduction in pain. This ancient remedy is inexpensive, natural, and incredibly effective. Remember, though, this balm works best when combined with light physical activity or stretches to keep your joints healthy. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's